Hello, I'm Brandon Shibley with Edge Impulse. Here we're showing a demo of an intelligent factory powered by Edge AI, showcasing a variety of different Edge AI use cases that are made possible with machine learning. So I'm going to show you first defect detection. We've got 4 different conveyor lines here, also connected with booths at Qualcomm and at the Qt Group. And we've got data being distributed so that we can monitor the factory all over the venue. When we place doing inspection on these pods, you can see that we get counting defects on the conveyor line, which we can use to track the performance of our factory and ultimately monitor it here. All of this running on the Dragonwing IQ9. All the machine learning that you see is accelerated by the NPU. Now you see the cute UI and HMI here that's also accelerated by the GPU. And all the machine learning models are trained by Edge Impulse. So for defect detection, we're using YOLO Pro, trained on images captured from cameras like this. These are Gigi Vision cameras from the imaging source. And we can switch to any line to view the progress or to monitor the status of the line. So here now I'm putting a pod through on line 1. And in addition to defect detection, we're also doing PP detection and keep out zones with camera vision. We also are doing fault detection on the conveyor lines using time series machine learning. We're also have an AI assistant here that can help with providing an overview of factory operations, as well as helping with maintenance. And then finally, we also have we're doing authentication with face detection on this other side with the HMI.